Hey everyone, March 19th, 2026. I want to do a quick overview of my trade plan for today. Coming into today, goal is to stop losing, lose less basically. Um, Before we start winning, we got to stop losing. And a quick set for the mental check-in for today. I was a little bit distracted coming in. Um, had just looking at a phone can easily, seeing what's going on all these social medias can easily distract me. So I just got something I got to watch out for in the morning. Um, and this is just for my personal self. And am I carrying anything from yesterday? No, not necessarily. Don't really. Just really trying to focus on maintaining consistency with what it is I'm trying to achieve. Um, And am I trading today because I feel like I need to? Not necessarily. It's a Thursday. Statistically speaking, Thursdays are some of my better days. So I just doing my job and trying to be here when the best opportunity tends to happen for me. Risk budget, I'm within my daily loss, max loss, within the weekly loss. Um, Anything on the economic news? Nothing crazy on the nothing significant. Usually, it's if it's something to do with the Fed is usually what I look out for, primarily FOMC, and that was yesterday. Um, how should I adjust based on yesterday? Based on the today, based on condition. Market read. So kind of jumping ahead of myself, but the market condition read, the higher time frames, quarterly, monthly, weekly, are all trending. So if we take a quick look, let's see here. Yeah, weekly is now in balance lower following yesterday's price action. So was not able to maintain its rotation for the week. Monthly, same story. It was holding a rotational story, was unable to continue that story, and now we are in balance lower and looking to hold below the -2. The and then you have quarterly kind of leading the way with that. Um, so all three time frames are in alignment and are imbalanced lower. Um, that kind of opens up the trading to more directional trading. So if we get it in a trade, it's not going to be a move to move. It's going to be a trade to hold, and we can look to see how far the trade can go. So we'll just just based off the intraday information that we get. Um, how should based on today on the condition. Um, kind of just talked about it right there. It's just a lot adjusting to a directional move or and then just really waiting for where the best location is to get into a directional move to join the imbalance. And it really comes down to waiting for the intraday as it's currently rotational. So letting that kind of develop before beginning to try to short and maybe looking at that weekly level or looking to see if we go fast trending on the intraday. Would be good chance, good ways to wait and see and adjust for today's condition. Relative to yesterday's range, we are below it. We opened below it, and now we're rotational. There's no dissonance. There's if there was to be a shifting condition, it'd be on weekly and monthly. If we were to go to go back and end up rotational, that would be significant. Um, Most recent rejection continues to be the rejection of quarterly previous value area low, which we see the story playing out right now. Confluence of narratives, everything's pretty confluent. Weekly, quarterly, monthly, they're all in balance lower. Market is finding value lower, opportunities in the pullback at the higher time frame to join on the imbalance lower. hence mostly the weekly for me. It's not an A narrative. There's no really line in the sand to kind of play off of, which is make things a little more difficult. So you kind of have to feel and wait for the market to tell you, all right, when it's time to move. Clarity 5, it's pretty clear that that's the case. So it's pretty clear that we don't have a concrete line in the sand that we can play off of. Um, However, that doesn't mean we don't take any risks. It means we can take risks, just given the fact that if we continue the imbalance lower, that's some good potential there that we could take advantage of. Main trade will be the RPB of development very high, um, in line with the IPB of weekly development very low. And then the next idea would be a fast trending IPB. So if we go imbalance on the intraday, I'd be looking for a fast trending IPB that could that would drive that would join on the imbalance lower. And that's basically my trade plan for the day, plus the market read. Um, and we'll see how I end up trading. And I'll look forward to sharing my review later today.